Hi, in this chapter we will learn about how to modify the strings in Python. Okay, modify a string in Python. It is pretty easy. Okay, look, Python has a set of built-in method that you can use on a string to modify it. So first let me tell you about how to change all those things into uppercase. Just suppose here I am taking a as a variable and I am writing Sharad, no, not Sharad, hello Sharad. Okay, as you can see, these all are in a small character. So now I want to change it to upper character. So what I'll do, I'll print a dot upper. Okay, and then functionize it, run it. You can see it is printed in the upper character. All the letter are now capitalized, right? The same thing you can do in lowercase also. So what about the lowercase? lowercase, same thing, a. Then now I'll write everything in the uppercase, Sharad Khare. Okay, and now print it, print what, a dot lower, lower, and functionize it. Don't forget to use this functionize because these all are a built-in functions. For function, always you should use functionization method like round brackets. Okay, and in the future itself you will even put something in there. I'll tell you how to do that thing. If I'll run this, all the characters are now in small. Okay, this is a simple method, and even you can remove the white space. If a string or a sentence have the white space, you can remove it. Remove white space, space. Now let me tell you what actually the white space is, because most of the time people don't know what is the difference between space, white space or something. Look, in our technology world, in our coding world, white space is the space before and or after the actual text. Okay, and you can see it very often if you want to remove this space. Okay, many of the people use in this thing in data science, in data cleaning part. It is very much needed, and for this we will use the strip method. Okay, we will use the strip method. This method is really very useful for removing the white space. How to do this? Let's take a variable, and then here I am writing hello Sharad. Okay, and then intentionally I am giving one more space. Okay, here I am giving a space. Okay, so now print, then a, because I want to change the variable from a, so a dot strip, and then functionize it. So what it will return? It will return this thing without. Okay, let me run this. Okay, you are not getting it, because if you will do the length now, if just suppose, let me take the length of this. This length is different. Here I am not able to select the space. Okay, if just suppose B. Okay, both length are different. Print len a Okay, if you will run this, then its length is 13, and if I'll take the length of b, print len b, it is not printing, it is showing me the error. Okay, it is already been printed, so that's the reason it is showing me the error. Let me a strip, wait. Okay, now look, now it is showing me the 12 because I have removed the space. What I did here is, first I have taken a as a variable, okay, and assigned this thing. Its length is actually 13. There are total 13 number of characters. Then I printed it. Then again the output, what output I got from here, I printed it to strip, and then I did a condition strip. Strip means remove the white space, which is unnecessary here. It is removed, and then I assigned it to b. Now it is 12. Understood? So this is the basic difference between handling the space. Okay, now hope you understood this. Now let's move to the next section. Here also you can replace the string or a character or certain thing if you need it in a string. Okay, so how to do the same thing? Just suppose you have a same thing again, and let's say hello Sharad. Okay, I'm taking same example again because it is pretty easy. Okay, so for this, for replacing the string, actually you can use replace method. Okay, for this replacing method I am now print, and just suppose I want to replace the h. H is where? H is in h. Okay, I want to remove, or I want to just say I want to remove e. I want to replace e from s or something, s or g or something. So what should I do? A dot, now I will use the replace, replace sorry, replace, and in function first I will give the replacement character, like I want to replace e, so here I'll give e, and then comma, and then which character for replace, in the replacing which character, right? So e, in place of e I want to give, let's say, x. Okay, so if I'll run this, you can see now e is replaced by x. Okay, so like this you can replace any character, any string, any symbol in the sentence or a paragraph or whatever so-called string. Okay, it is very pretty simple, right? Hope you understood this. So now let's move to the next section of splitting the string. And for splitting means it is different from slicing. Okay, slicing is a takeaway. Splitting means dividing from 10%, 10 or 90 ratio will be 10-90 or 20-80 or 25-75, 50-50, whatever you want, you can do this. Slicing is a takeaway, and splitting is just to divide. You can divide the character to a different variable. Okay, so for dividing, or you can say for splitting the string, we will use a split method. This thing, same example. Hello, sorry, hello Sharad. Okay, and now for splitting I want to split hello from Sharad, so that hello should be a different word, and Sharad should be the different word. So how to do this? Now we will print, or we can do this in two way, but let me show you first. Very easy. Print and then a, because I want to split from a dot split, and then by what? Single quote, and then b comma in between. Okay, that's it. If I'll run this, hello Sharad, it will get printed. But here the problem is, it is not showing me the thing what actually I want. Okay, so we have a different method. We don't want to split it like an array. So how to do this? Now we will do a characterization method, or a variable method, you can say. Okay, so for this, let's do this first. A, then hello Sharad. Okay, now I'll take one more variable, b, is equal to now a dot split. Now what I am doing here, I am denoting all my formula to a variable b, and for this what I'll do, comma, and then split it by a comma. Okay, this comma is actually splitting. You can use anything, you can use dot, you can use hyphen, okay, anything. You can even use space, like I want to use comma. Now what should I do? Just I'll print what? B. Okay, the same thing you will get, isn't it? So this is the basic two types by which you can use the thing. This thing will directly print, and by this thing you can use the output by splitting. Okay, so this is the basic thing of the strings, and that's all for this section, because this section I don't want to lengthy this section. Okay, so I wanted to let it a pretty simple one. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video of string concatenation. Okay, till then, bye bye.